Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Xbox controller, instant fix step by step. To connect your Xbox controller, first, ensure your controller has fresh batteries. Next, turn on your Xbox console by pressing the power button. Once the console is on, take your Xbox controller and locate the small Xbox button at the top center. Press and hold the Xbox button until it lights up. Now, find the sync button on your controller. It's located at the top near the left shoulder button. Press and hold the sync button for about 3 seconds until the Xbox button begins to flash. Next, locate the sync button on your Xbox console. On most models, this button is found on the front or side, usually near the disc tray. Press and hold the sync button on the console until the power button starts to flash. The controller and console will start syncing with each other. Wait until the Xbox button on the controller stays lit, indicating a successful connection. If your controller does not connect, try restarting your console and repeating the steps. You can also connect your controller using a USB cable if you prefer a wired connection. Simply plug one end of the USB cable into the controller and the other into the console. The controller should automatically sync once connected. If you plan to use your controller on a PC, connect it via Bluetooth or use a USB cable. For Bluetooth, ensure your PC's Bluetooth is turned on before pressing the sync button on the controller. Once synced, you are ready to enjoy your gaming session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.